Hello MVP users, this video is going to teach you all about free game. Free game is used to not allow leads to fall through the cracks. To set up your free game, we're going to click your name on the top right, click user settings, and then you'll be able to click edit. Here we have the days before groups associated to that user will be considered free game. This means that, so if we have a 2 here, this means that if somebody goes 2 days living on a call view page without a phone call being logged, then they will become free game. Anybody else on that agency will be able to access this person. So go ahead and set a number that you would like for each staff member. Each staff member can have their own number set for free game. If this is blank, that means that free game is not set up and will not work. So let's go ahead and go to a call view page. I'm going to go ahead and click here on quoted. Notice that I had free game already checked, but notice it says 0 up here. So if we click on quoted or awaiting, there's nothing there. If I go ahead and I check the free game box, it will bring up some awaiting quotes. You can go ahead and click on quoted. Again, go ahead and check this box, and here are some more. So each call view has the free game filter. You do need to check this box to be able to see those that are free game. As soon as I log a phone call for someone that is free game, it is going to assign to myself or whoever pushes that button. So make sure that if you are calling through free game, you are logging a phone call. It will take however many set days each user has before any of their leads, prospects, or cross-sell opportunities become free game. And this does allow for leads to not fall through the cracks. If somebody has been pipelined out for months or weeks or has an appointment scheduled, that will not make them become free game. Again, if someone lives on your call view page, that means that they need a phone call today, and they will become free game if they go however many number of days you have set without anything being logged for them. Okay, so as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you.